exceptional ability or strength, bravery, and battles. Example, it was his prowess as a soldier that kept him alive. Excuse okay, that her classmates to school for the day people were sent to evacuation centers to ensure that they are safe from any danger they may get from the continuous flow. Some people were stranded by their own strength. According to the region office of the Philippines another trip sa small Balagay Skin Model 1 undergoing to experience more harmful or continuous
Kanang video. Short orchestra.
Basta para tayo. Raida Pe and Patricia were two good friends.
Happy birthday, Aida Pe!
Happy birthday!
Who are you? I don't know you. And today is not my birthday. Stay away from me. You're freaking me out. How dare you? I thought you are my friend.
Oh! Oh!
Hiram na mukha.
Hindi, hiram na utak. Hiram na utak. Hiram na utak. Mali nakabonet na lalaki.
One day, Aida was... Wait on.
Aida was?
Mauricia was going home. And she decided to rest for a while.
Hi, Patricia. I'm sorry, I have amnesia. I don't remember.
Ay, di. Wala si John Lloyd. Naniniwala ka ba sa love at first sight?
After,
Pero second sight.
hindi, dami ever.